And good day, today we're looking at this. It's the Arkfeld Pro and it's made by Olight. Now this particular torch has 5 different brightness settings. It has a laser pointer and also a UV light. So we'll put it to the test and see if it's any good. 2-year warranty on it, and it looks like we open it by tearing that off. Okay, we'll go across there. And there we go. Huh, got a little flip in there too. That's actually quite nice. I like the way that unboxes. It's not something you see very often. Oh, I've got a little readme on the back here. Quite nice. Oh, look at that, the way it's all packed. That's quite impressive. Very impressive. Oh, lots of stuff to look at here. I'll lay it out and we'll check it out in a second. What I like about the torch so far is this little piece here. It's magnetic, so you've got a magnetic USB charging port on it, so that's rather brilliant, rather unique on these sort of things too. I've never seen another one like it. As it says here, this product ships in lockout mode. Before first use, press and hold the button about 1 second until the flashlight turns on and the flashlight will be unlocked. Now, how about that, eh? They're really looking after you, this crowd. And here it's telling you same thing about it being in a locked mode, and they're suggesting that you charge it before you use it, which is a great idea. That's exactly what I'm about to do. User manual. I'm only interested in the English section here, so I'll hold it up a little closer. You can have a bit of a read, pause it if there's anything of interest. We'll come down to this section here and I'll just go across slowly. And that gives you an indication as to all the bits and pieces. On the other side we have a chart, and as you can see on the top of the chart it's got a bit of information, and again in multiple languages, so very, very handy stuff. And it comes with a 30-day warranty from purchase, so not bad. You have 2 years of warranty, which is for repair or replacement, and 30 days you can basically contact the original seller for repair or replacement. So yeah, pretty decent. Now I've got the charger plugged in to a USB port, and as you can see this is green, and I touch it on the back of the torch, it goes red. So my guess is once it's fully charged that will be turned green. Well, only one way to find out, isn't there? Leave it there, come back and check it later. And there you are, it's green, so it's now fully charged. And this is the lowest setting, this is the moonlight setting, so you can actually see it is on. We have 5 different light settings in here. And that's the 5 of them. We have, of course, the little laser, which is a bit of fun. That's definitely working. And the next one is the UV. So that's a UV light. I'm not certain if it's showing up on the camera or not, but it is definitely working. It's remarkably handy having a torch in your pocket, especially a little slimline one like this. It's very, very handy indeed. And especially if you're trying to show someone who's never worked on a car before where some of the hidden bolts are. So you switch over and you can point with the laser, and just in the back there's actually 2 bolts, there's one on either side of the radiator that have to be removed, but to get to them you have to move the fan and a few other bits and pieces out of the way. And you know, it's quite a learning experience, and it is really handy when you can sort of say this is the general area where you need to look, rather than try and put your finger in amongst all the bits and pieces where there's no room. I'm definitely having a lot of fun with this Arkfeld Pro Olight. We have carpet in front of you, as you can see here, nothing visible to the naked eye. Turn on the ultraviolet light and all of a sudden, wow, where did that come from? Okay, we're in a motel room at the moment. I've got the ultraviolet light out. We're looking for any nasties, and this place is actually very clean. Let's see if we've got any No, it's showing really, really good. Wow. Yep, definitely can't fault the cleanliness of this place. It is really good. We'll check out the beds a bit later on, and we'll see if there's anything there. But this is really clean, brilliant. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thumbs up, thumbs down, either way doesn't matter. Leave a comment, I'd appreciate that. Hopefully I'll get to see you on the very next video, whatever it happens to be. All the best till then. Bye for now.